Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, and today we are going to again continue simple and compound interest. In the previous video, let me tell you, I have explained you the difference between simple interest and compound interest. And remember, if you like my videos, do comment, like, and share my videos, and press the bell icon to get my videos notifications. So now today we are going to do exercise 8.3, question number 1. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum. Just call it, do not call it as 12 1/2, call it as 12.5% per annum compounded annually. Dear students, in the first part you can see here the written thing is compounded annually, but in third part it is written compounded half yearly. So I'll definitely tell you the difference between the two and how to calculate in case of annually and half yearly. And I'll give you a tip also, a shortcut, a trick to do the direct calculation in both the cases. But before doing this, let us go through the formulas and write down these formulas before starting the exercise in your notebook. So our first formula is for amount, which is denoted by A. A is equal to P multiplied by, no sign is here, that means multiplication, A multiplied by P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T, where A is the amount, P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, time T is the time, and CI denotes the compound interest. For compound interest, the formula is A minus P. So note down these formulas and then we will start doing the questions. So dear students, now before starting the exercise, note down this trick also. This is for compounded annually. So in annual case, no change in the time will be taken, no change in the rate of interest. Same, whatever given to us in the question will be taken as it is. In compounded half yearly, time will be taken as 2 multiplied by जितना भी दिया होगा उसे 2 से multiply कर देंगे and rate will be divided by 2. In quarterly, time will be divided by 4 and rate of interest will be, time will be multiplied by 4 and rate will be divided by 4. So what does it mean? For example, dear students, time is given to you as 1 year. So 1 year में कितने half year आ जाते हैं? 1 year में 6 months and 6 months means 2 half years. 2 half years means हम क्या करेंगे, 1 दे रखा है 1 year multiplied by 2 means 2 half years. और rate of interest if it is given as 10%, तो rate of interest half कर देंगे. For half year the rate of interest will be 10/2, that is 5%. Same here, 4 times quarterly means होता है एक साल के 4 पार्ट करना. Quarterly means to make 4 parts of, like 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. 1 year means 12 months. 1 year means 12 months. और 12 months के अगर मैं 4 parts डिवाइड करती हूँ तो कितना मिलेगा? 12 divided by 4, 3 means 3 months. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months and 3 months means the year will be divided into 4 parts. So अगर 1 year है तो 4 into 1, 4 times हमारा rate of interest अप्लाई होगा and rate of interest will be divided by 4. 10 दिया हुआ तो 10/4 ले लेंगे. तो मीन्स हर 3 महीने बाद इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. हाफ ईयरली मीन्स हर 6 महीने बाद इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. एनुअली मीन्स द इंटरेस्ट विल बी अप्लाइड आफ्टर द कंप्लीट 1 year. तो जब हाफ ईयरली है, टाइम विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, रेट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. क्वार्टरली मीन्स क्वार्टर मीन्स 4, टाइम विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4, rate of interest will be divided by 4. For example, if 1.5 years are given to you, so let us convert this. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3/2. तो अगर मुझे हाफ ईयरली निकालना है तो टाइम को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा 3.5 years। तो यही बताया था आपको 1.5 year में कितने ईयर्स होंगे 3.5 years। अगर इसे 1.5 year को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है क्वार्टरली में 1.5 मीन्स 3/2 mixed fraction, so we'll multiply by 4 to convert half yearly। So 2 3s are 6 quarters। 6 quarters means 4 क्वार्टर मिल जाएंगे फर्स्ट ईयर के और 2 क्वार्टर मिलेंगे हमें यहाँ से 6। So in this way it will be easy for you to do the calculation, right? So let us do first question now. Now dear students, this is principal, this is time, and this is rate of interest compounded annually. So let us find out the amount in case of amount in compound interest. So the formula for amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to T. So principal, what is principal? 10,800 rupees into 1 plus rate. No change because it is annually. तो जो रेट गिवन है वो ही लेंगे, जो टाइम गिवन है वो। बट लेट अस कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू सिंपल फ्रैक्शन। 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25/2% per annum। So we'll write rate as 25/2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, नीचे 100 तो है ये फॉर्मूले में, वो हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे नीचे, रेज्ड पर 3 complete years। So write like this। So let us solve it। So if we can cut it, हम कर सकते हैं इसे। So it will become 1 plus 1/2 4s are 8। Now let us take the LCM to solve it। So LCM will be 8, 8 1s are 8 plus 1 raised to 3। So it will become 10,800 multiplied by 9, 8 plus 1 is 9/8 raised to 3, and raised to 3 means we need to write it, multiply it for 3 times, 9/8 9/8 9/8। So by solving this dear students we get, let us calculate it। So by solving it we'll get amount as rupees 15,377 rupees, and decimal means इतने पैसे। So we'll solve it up to 2 decimal places। So this is the amount which we got by using this formula। Now in the question they asked us to calculate compound interest also। So what is the formula for this? Amount minus principal means ये वो अमाउंट है जो इंटरेस्ट लग के आया है, उसमें से अगर हम ये निकाल देंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कितना इंटरेस्ट लगा है। सो 15,377 रुपीज़ 34 पैसा माइनस 10,800। सो लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट इट एंड गेट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट। सो इट विल बी रुपीज़ 4,577.34। सो दिस विल बी द compound interest। So I hope it is clear to you, right? So dear students, now second part is find the compound compound interest and amount on rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum, again compounded annually। So let us do the B part। So now dear students, let us put the values of P, R, T in the formula to get the amount, and let us see what can be done। It is again compounded annually। So principal is 18,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 10% per annum। So now the time is, dear students, 2.5 year means 2 complete years, 2 complete years and 1 half year। 2.5 means 2 साल पूरे और 1 आधा साल। सो जब हमारे पास एनुअली में अगर हमें 2 चीज़ें दिखाई दें, कंप्लीट ईयर भी दिखाई दें और हाफ भी, तो 2 चीज़ें जब दिखाई दें वी नीड टू टेक 2 ब्रैकेट्स, 1 फॉर द कंप्लीट ईयर्स। तो कितने कंप्लीट ईयर हैं? 2, टाइम विल बी 2 इन 2। For half year विल टेक 1 प्लस एज आई टोल्ड यू हाफ ईयर, कितने हाफ ईयर हैं, सो 1/2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 करके देख लो, 1 आ रहा है एज आई टोल्ड यू हाफ ईयर के लिए मल्टीप्लाइंग. एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी क्या हो जाएगा, दिस विल बी 5% पर हाफ ईयर. तो फॉर द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट विल बी 5. सो 5/100. और कितने हाफ ईयर हैं, ओनली 1 हाफ ईयर, राइट. सो when 2 type of times are given to you and annually we want to solve, half yearly नहीं है, annually, और 2 complete years and 1 half year, तो we have to use 2 brackets. जो complete years होंगे वो सेम नंबर आएगा, बट फॉर हाफ ईयर जो 1/2 दे रखा है, आई टोल्ड यू द ट्रिक, हाफ ईयर के लिए मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 टाइम को, सो विल गेट 1 हाफ ईयर, सो पावर 1. So now solve it. Whatever you can cancel that. 5 ones are 5, 20. So 18,000. So let us take the LCM. Here 10 is the LCM. 10 into 1, 10 plus 1 square. And here 20 is the LCM. 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1 raised per 1. So dear students, just solve the 2 brackets. I hope this step is clear to you because we need to find out annually. तो 2 complete years तो annual आ जाएंगे, बट हाफ के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to take another bracket जिसमें rate of interest half कर देंगे. और कितने हाफ ईयर्स हैं, 1 half year. Use the trick. So it will become 11/10 square into 21/20 raised per 1. So 18,000. 11/10, we'll write it for 2 times because square is there, and we'll solve it. So all the 3 10 will get cancelled out by this, and we'll left with 18 into 11 into 11 into 21. So by multiplying it we'll get, so by doing this calculation, a 2 is also there, we'll get 22,869. This is the amount. Now let us calculate the compound interest, whose formula is compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, and amount we have calculated as 22,869 minus principal is 18,000. So we'll get it as rupees 4,869. This will be the compound interest and this will be the amount. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now dear students, C part, principal is 62,500 rupees for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Now point to be noted, compounded half yearly means we need to convert the time as well as the rate. So what is the trick? The trick is for half yearly the time will be multiplied by 2 and rate of interest will be divided by 2. This is the trick. So let us see. Principal will remain same. For time 3/2, let us divide it by, let us multiply by it by 3/2 multiplied by 2. As I told you the trick, half yearly है तो 2 से cancel 3 half years, 3 half years, right? And rate of interest will be divided by 2, that is 8/2 means 4% per half year, not annum now, per half year, right? So these are the values which we'll put now because this time this is compounded half yearly, compounded half yearly. So let us calculate it. And otherwise also, ये तो ट्रिक ही उसकी, अदरवाइज बेटा आप खुद भी सोच सकते हैं. 1.5 ईयर, 1.5 ईयर में कितने हाफ ईयर होंगे, 1 ईयर में 2 times 6 months लेंगे तो 2 हाफ ईयर वहाँ से मिल गए और 1 हाफ ईयर ये, तो टोटल 3 हाफ ईयर्स. सो अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज़ द ट्रिक ऑल्सो. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट. सो अमाउंट विल बी A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T. Now no two brackets will be there because this time half yearly ही लेना है, तो we'll put only this. जब annually होता है तो हमें annually में अगर mixed fraction ऐसे दे रखी हो तो mixed bracket use करने हैं. Okay, but here half yearly is interest. So principal is 62,500 into 1 plus. Now rate for half yearly is 4% upon 100 raised to power time 3 half years. 3 half years. So let us solve it. 4 ones are 4 25s are 62500. Take the LCM. 25 plus 1, 25 ones are 25 whole raised to power 3. So just solve it and get the answer. 26 by 25 raised to power 3. So what do you get? 62,500, and this will multiply by 3 times. So by solving this we'll get, so amount will be 70,304. This will be the amount after 3 years. This 62,500 rupees will become that much. Now for compound interest, A minus P, the same formula. So what is the amount? We have just calculated 70,304 minus 62,500. This is the principal. So by subtracting it, we'll get rupees 7,804. Right? This will be the compound interest. So I hope it is clear to you. Do not get confused. Why we have taken two brackets in the previous question? Because annually was given to you, and one bracket we have used for complete years and other for half years. But here we are compounded it half yearly, तो half yearly का हमें totally change करना पड़ेगा, and we'll put those values to get amount and compound interest. Now dear students, do D and E part yourself. Rupees 8,000 principal. For 1 year, 9% per annum compounded half yearly. For half yearly time is 1 year, तो 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 से. 1 into 2, 2 half year. And 9 rate of interest will be divided 9 by 2. 9 by 2 को 9 by 2 पुट कर सकते हैं और 4.5. Similarly, in the next part, 1 year means 2 half years and 8 by 2 means 4% per annum half yearly. So both D and E parts are similar to C. Both the parts you do as your homework. Okay, you could use the year by year calculation using SI formula to verify. Okay, you can otherwise do both the parts in the same way as we have done for C part. So that's all for today.